Hello everybody, myself Professor S.V. Aradikar. Today we are going to discuss for measurements using two scale instruments. One of the two scale instrument is micrometer screw. Micrometer screw has two scale. First scale is called as main scale. So this is main scale and it is calibrated in millimeters as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 millimeter and so on. Some micrometer has arrangement on main scale where this 1 millimeter is further divided into two equal parts like this, and there is another scale called as circular scale which we are rotating using screw. So this is circular scale which is also called as head scale, and this is calibrated merely by divisions as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and highest number of division on circular scale are sometimes 50, sometimes 100, and this will decide what is the accuracy with which we can go for the measurement. When we are using two scale instrument, we have to first of all consider what is main scale reading. Main scale reading is the completed division by the head scale with respect to main scale. So you can refer here 1 mm completed, 2 completed, 3 completed, 4 also completed. But if you will say 4 mm is the reading, then this half division completed on other side of the vertical line is not considered by you. So you have to consider this half mm mark, and therefore main scale reading will be 4.5 millimeter, and if you want to express it in centimeter, you have to write it as 0.45 centimeter. Then write what is circular scale reading. Circular scale reading is the division completed by the circular scale with respect to main scale. Suppose this completed division is 23. Then circular scale is merely number and completed number is 23. Then we have to find out what is fraction, and at the end what is total reading. What is fraction? Fraction is least count into circular scale reading. Least count of the given micrometer screw, if it is 0.001 centimeter, then the fraction is least count into circular scale reading, which comes out to be 0.023 centimeter, and total reading is main scale reading plus fraction, and therefore main scale reading, which is 0.45 centimeter, in that you have to add 0.023 centimeter, so that total reading will become 0.473 centimeter. So this is the total reading of the micrometer screw that we are using. Here you will note that the accuracy with which the measurement can be made is very high, because it is increased up to third digit after decimal point. By our conventional scale, the accuracy is restricted to just 0.1 centimeter, because least count of ordinary scale in your mathematical instrument box that you are using, the least count is 0.1 centimeter. So if you want to go for measurement with accuracy more than 0.1 centimeter, then conventional scale has its own limitation. Therefore, there are some two scale instruments available in the market, like micrometer screw is there, vernier caliper is there, or spirometer is there, where the smallest measurement that you can make is restricted to least count of that particular instrument, and as the least count of the micrometer screw is 0.001 centimeter, the accuracy is up to third digit after decimal point. This is how the accurate methods of measurement of length or change in length or any other can be measured with precisely, because the micrometer screw has greater accuracy than the conventional scale. And this is how going for accurate measurement increases the correctness and thereby the accuracy in our calculation. So we can go for precise calculations, and the quantities which we are supposed to estimate using these values can be achieved with very high accuracy. Thank you very much.